It is a total game changer to finally stop stressing about damp clothes hanging all over your shower rod or waiting hours for a single outfit to air dry when you're in a rush. The portable mini clothes dryer is the ultimate solution for anyone living the apartment life, staying in a dorm, or hitting the road in an RV. This compact powerhouse is all about efficiency and speed. Unlike traditional dryers that take up a massive amount of floor space and require special venting, this high-speed mini machine uses a powerful heating element and a concentrated airflow system to dry your light clothes, underwear, and socks in a fraction of the time. It is incredibly lightweight and portable, making it the perfect travel companion for those long trips where you want to pack light but keep your wardrobe fresh. But don't let the clothes dryer label limit you. This device is truly multifunctional. It comes with specialized attachments that allow you to warm up a chilly quilt before bed or quickly dry out a pair of soaked shoes after a rainy hike. It's also a lifesaver for delicate items that you'd never dream of tossing into a harsh, industrial laundromat machine. You get a gentle yet effective heat that preserves your fabrics while getting the job done. The operation is dead simple with intuitive timer settings, and because it's designed for small spaces, it runs quietly enough that it won't disturb your sleep or your neighbors. If you're tired of the laundry day, struggle, and want a fast, effective way to dry your essentials anywhere, this is your new best friend. Click the link below for the best price, and say goodbye to damp laundry forever. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more life hack tech reviews. See you in the next one.